Hi friends, I'm Oksana, and in this video I'm going to be sharing how I pack light for traveling for work. This is a late fall, early winter edition. I travel for work on a regular basis, and through my traveling I have figured out a way or a system of how to travel light without packing too much and having enough options for the entire week without checking in a bag. So everything I'm going to be covering in this video is related to how to pack a carry-on with enough items to cover a full work week and 2 days of the weekend. Packing used to give me anxiety. I would take hours to pack and it would be frustrating. It would take me a lot of time. But after being frustrated for so many times, I have finally put my mind to it and figured out a system to help me pack quickly and with ease. So I have 4 principles for packing. The first one is versatility. Everything I pack must be versatile so I can pair it with different items throughout the week. The second principle is easy care. I try to choose fabrics that are easy to care for and prefer wrinkle resistant over anything else. The third principle is lightweight. This one is self-explanatory. And principle number 4 is compact. Volume and weight are 2 key principles that allow me to pack in everything into a one carry-on bag. I do have a checklist for packing, so here's what I pack for a week full of outfits. An oversized t-shirt, a camisole, a white button-up, pants, a sweater, and a dress. Underwear, set of sleepwear, socks, workout gear, my toiletries, my supplements, pair of heels, pair of Allbirds for workouts, pair of mules. These are I'm gonna be probably wearing, so I don't even need to pack them in. A blazer, and finally a set of cords, which comes super handy when you have these cords all over the purse typically. As you can see, I was able to pack everything in both sides of the carry-on suitcase. If I wear a blazer and a pair of shoes, I will also have some room left over, which comes super handy when I buy things during my trips. To illustrate, here I'm wearing the first item, which is my blazer and a fairly casual outfit, which is comfortable for traveling. So I'm layered, which means that I can take some of these items off if I get hot on the airplane. The second outfit is a more casual but still put together outfit, which is something that I would wear on the weekend when I'm going out. The third outfit is a more casual version. It's something that I would wear out again on the weekend, which is a relaxed t-shirt and a pair of jeans and heels. Here I'm wearing it with mules, which is super handy when you're walking around a lot in the city. I do work in the office environment, so I do tend to dress up during the work week, so a dress with heels is appropriate for my environment. When I have important meetings, I do tend to wear a blazer on top, or when I'm cold in the office, I do tend to wear a blazer as well, so this is that outfit. Next outfit is a pair of pants with a simple button-up shirt, which is something that I would wear for work. Again, if I'm cold or if I want to switch it up, I would pair it up with blazer. Next outfit is, again, pants and a white button-up and a sweater if I feel a little bit colder. So one of the key principles of actually having room in your carry-on luggage is wearing the heaviest items. So it's typically shoes or blazer or my coat that I would wear, so I don't have to pack them into the suitcase. What ways did you develop that help you travel light? Please share them in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.